Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Geraldine and I make videos about slip of life, planner videos, and lifestyle videos. So if that's your type of jam, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Geraldine Silva. So today I did a little makeup tutorial for you guys. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in such a long time. It was really fun to film today. I filmed a 15-minute makeup tutorial on what I do in the mornings because I'm a mom and I legit do not have the time anymore to be doing 40-minute makeup, to do 20 minutes, to do any more than what I already have, because I wake up already as it is at 5 in the morning so that I can do my hair, I can do my makeup, I can journal, read, and just anything else that I need to do before I get everybody up, because once everyone's up, I'm attending to them and I can't attend to me anymore. So I give myself 15 minutes every single morning before work to do this exact makeup routine. This is the makeup that you see in almost every single one of my videos. I find this makeup routine to be so easy, so quick, and so simple. I'm not doing anything too elaborate. I'm just using the same products every single day, and it just makes my life a lot more easier when I already know what I'm doing. Let's get on with this little makeup tutorial. So first things first, I love to start off with my base foundation. So I use this little beauty blender. It's just one that I bought from Marshall's, but the foundation I'm going to be using today is this Maybelline foundation. It's 30H, I think that's the color of it. Oh no, the color of it is 128 nude. And what I like to do is I like to just do one full pump, and if I need more then I'll do half a pump. But I just dot this, and I apologize if I'm looking to the side. That's because where my mirror is at. I do little dots all over my face, and then I go in with my beauty blender, and my beauty blender is still moist. So I love a wet beauty blender. I don't like using a dry one. So I'm gonna just blend it out. I almost forgot. I love to put these little like clips onto my hair so that my hairs don't get in the way. Because right now they're getting in the way while I'm putting on my foundation. Now I go in with my eyebrows. So I just use the spoolie on the back of this like eyeliner, like angled pencil brush. I use the spoolie on the back to brush out my eyebrows. The pencil brush that I do use is the Maybelline Express. I don't really like this at all, but it's the only one. Well, it's not the only one that I have, but I purchased it, so I'm using it up. But I don't really like it just because the applicator is really thick, and I love thin eyebrow pencils. I don't like thick ones because they just distribute too much of the product, and I would much rather have a small one so I can have more precise flicks to my hairs and make them look more natural. This just kind of like is a crayon to me. It's like a jumbo crayon. But I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can see how I do my eyebrows. That's what I do for my eyebrows. I just go in with a boy brow. This is my boy brow from Glossier that I just got from Marshall's, and I just apply this onto my eyebrows just to have them stick and stay in place throughout the day. Working with children, yeah, it's a wild one working with children. This is the Kaja concealer. I apply this first as a like base concealer. This is like similar to my skin tone, So I use this as a base, and then I go in with a brightening concealer after I do all my contour and blush so that I can brighten up my eyes. But first, I like to layer down a base concealer. I really like this concealer too, just because it's very glowy, and I have really dry skin, so it doesn't really stick to all of my little imperfections. I do have bags, as you can tell, but with the brightening concealer, it just like lifts me up. So depending on the day, I either will go in on my my eyeshadow or my contour. Today, I feel like doing my contour, my base first before I go in with my eyes. So this is the Honest Beauty powder. This is for like dark skin people, but this is like my perfect shade as a bronzer. I have this Color Drop Serum Blush from, oh my god, I can't remember the name. Oh, EM Cosmetics. I forgot what her name was, but she used to be a YouTuber, and she came out with these like little serum drop blushes. They're so pretty. I like the packaging is just chef's kiss. Look how pretty this is. Look how gorgeous this is. The reason why I bought this was because of the packaging, and I stayed because it's amazing. So this is the color Venetian Rose. So I just apply this on my cheeks. I put a good generous amount, and then I typically just blend this out with my ring finger. I just deposit the color all over my cheeks first, and then I go in my beauty blender and blend it out. The concealer by Mario, and this is just in the shade 140. And this one is super brightening. I love it so much, and I'm already like running out on it. You can tell like the spacing on it. Which, now thinking about it, this concealer did not have a lot in the bottle, because the Kaja one that I do have, I've been using it way longer than the Makeup by Mario one, and then that one's already finishing. So do you see how it like just brightens my under eye? And I create just kind of like this little triangle thing, so I go down on the bridge of my nose and then just lift up, so that my face looks like it's being lifted. We're gonna go in with my eyeshadow. Routine and everything is super easy. Oh, so completely forgot, I also put a powder blush on top. So this is the Too Pretty by Sophia Mabel. And then just applying, again, just a small, generous amount, because since I already put blush underneath, I don't want to put a lot more. And this is just to make my cheeks nice and rosy. I also contour my nose, and the nose contouring, I use a concealer to contour my nose. So this is the Clean Fresh by CoverGirl, and this is in the shade, I think it's just called Dark. And so I like this because it comes in a stick, and I'm able to precisely place the product onto how I want to contour my nose. So I just go along the bridge of my nose, on the skinniest portion of my nose, and then again I just use my finger and I move the product along my nose all the way down and then onto my tip. So this may not be the right way to contour my nose, but it's the way that I've been doing it so far, and I don't mind the technique. Now we're going to go in with the eyeshadow. So I used two different palettes. I used this Korean palette that I got from Marshall's. And I also used this Lorac palette that I got really long time ago. I don't even know if this thing exists, but I got it a super long time ago. And I go in with the Korean. Isn't this like the cutest little packaging ever? It's like a little Korean like magazine. Oh, it's so pretty. But I go in with the palette that's inside. You see how pretty it is? So I use this one. Go in with the lightest shade in this palette, in my Lorac palette. I distribute the color all over my lids. So I set the concealer, and now I go in with the lightest shade in this palette, which is supposed to be like a bronzer, but I use it as an eyeshadow. And I just use this nice little cute fluffy brush. This is the Packing Shade by Luxe brushes. Super dirty, but what can you do? And I just place this color all over my lid. Create this like little V shape at the ends of my eyes. Super simple, super easy. And then I go in with this darker shade from the Lorac palette right here, and I just place this. My eyeshadows, easiest thing I ever do. Again, because I don't have a lot of time in the morning, so I try to make it as simple as possible. But with that darker shade, I just put it simply only on the folds of my lid. I don't take it all the way up, so that it creates this like cascading effect on my eyes. Apply this bronzy shade all over my lid. Again, just depends on my day what I feel like applying. I'm also going to be using this like kind of flattened blending brush and distribute the color, again, only on my lids on top of that dark shade that I just placed. Go with the shade from the Lorac palette. This is this shade right here, and I will take this under my eyes, so I shade underneath my eyeshadow, underneath my lashes, my bottom lashes. Now with the same liner that had this spoolie, I will go in with the darkest eyeshadow shade in this Korean palette, and I will create a... So before my camera rudely told me that I didn't have enough camera space, I was going to go in with my winged liner, creating a wing. So I start from the base of my eyelashes and I just start patting in the product, and then with the most angled part of this brush, I bring up a straight line, and then I flip the brush over, and I start connecting the line to the product I just patted in to my eyelashes. I really hope that makes sense. If not, well, this is why I'm not a makeup guru. Pathologist. Fun fact, actually, when I first started my YouTube channel, I was filming, I was a makeup guru. So if you look back on my channel, I still have all the videos. I've never taken them off because they're memories. But if you look back, you'll see all of my YouTube videos of me doing my makeup and stuff and trying to be like a beauty guru influencer. Kind of happy that never took off, because honestly, beauty's not like my #1 thing anymore. It used to be, but now I'm just so much more into like planners. Grab my black eyeliner pencil. You could just grab whatever one you have, and I line my top lashes. My top waterline with my mascara. Art. It has, the name has officially just, what's it called, came off, so I think it's called Big Ego. Can't really see it anymore. It's not my favorite one, but it'll do for my lashes. But not least, I put my lips. These are my two favorite lip combos. So this is the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade, the NYX one, and then this is a Burberry, what's it called, little lip crayon. I don't even know what to say. I got this from Nordstrom Rack for like $5, so don't think that I spent like money on Burberry, because I didn't. I bought it on clearance because it was $5. So I just lined the outer lips, then I apply this all over. And that is it, you guys. That is what I do every single morning before work. I do this little 15-minute makeup so that I have enough time to get ready, get everybody ready, get my stuff ready for work and whatnot, because again, I just do not have 2 hours to be doing a lot of things. Maybe on the weekend I do. So if you guys enjoyed this little makeup tutorial, I haven't done one in such a long time and it was really fun. But if you guys enjoyed this little makeup tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload. I'm uploading now on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, so how exciting for you. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, please, 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 and give this video a like. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys again next time. Bye. Mwah.